if you have any old items for the beach that have been faded by the sun, or you are a Cleveland Browns fan or UT fan, we got orange. Okay, look at that, beautiful. It was a dingy yellow, okay, and now it's going to be a beautiful orange. Look at that. Look at that lace. Okay, now also this old dingy shirt. Any smokers out there? Your curtains? Not mine. Hey, I'm just saying, you can do this. Okay, I'm gonna let that one soak a little longer. I have an all white shirt that got a stain on it. It was from some holy oil. I learned to dilute my holy oil. It gets diluted anyway. Look at that beautiful orange. Now I'll wear that more often. So we're just increasing our things here, our items. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take this out. I love this dress, but it's become a dingy white. Okay? Very dingy looking. See the dinginess? I even cut it to make it my own style. See, if you go